I'm Will with SnapSafe. Here's an overview of our SnapSafe lock boxes. All lock boxes are 16 gauge and come with 4 pieces of foam. We have a 1,500 pound rated cable, and all lock boxes are TSA approved. We have 3 sizes to accommodate small to the largest of revolvers. They can be purchased in keyed, combination, or 2 packs keyed alike. For more information, check us out at snapsafe.com.
Hi, I'm Susan and I'm with the SentrySafe team, and I'm here today to tell you about one of our portable security products, model P005C. You know, we make a lot of home products and a lot of office products, but we also make affordable on-the-go security. So I'm going to tell you about this model in 60 seconds or less. Let's start the clock. You know, this product is great for when you're traveling. It's great for cars, boats, trucks, campers, dorm rooms, or even a trip to the beach. I'm going to tell you about it inside out. So if you look at the inside, it's got a great size. It's great to fit things you might take with you, like a passport or cash or a phone, maybe a camera for all those pictures and some keys. It's got a nice soft interior lining to protect all of the contents. And it comes with a great steel tethering cable that's ideal for securing around a fixed object, whether it's under a car seat or around a bedpost. And it sticks right in the corner here, and you can shut it, and it's nice and secure. The outside has a great solid steel construction, so it's durable and it's going to provide an extra layer of security for you. It also has a 3-number mechanical combination lock that has 1,000 combinations, and you can set your own. The size is great. It fits right in a backpack, and it's nice and lightweight so you can take with you. Thanks so much. We'll see you again soon.